There is a difference between having a team and having a squad. My squad is the people that are willing to go above and beyond. See, with my squad, we don't have to talk about commitment. Because there's two types of people out there when it comes to a group of people. Some of y'all are just doing it for compliance. You know you're just showing up, giving enough to play the game. Some of y'all are showing up with commitment. Commitment is looking to do more, regardless of what anybody else is doing. You've already decided the direction. See, my team is made up of a lot of people. But my squad is whoever shows up that day. Whoever shows up on time. Whoever's calling me to double check. Whoever's asking me for a ride. Whoever's right there with me. My squad is who's staying in the gym with me. See, the team shows up to eat. I'll give you another one. The team shows up to eat. The squad shows up to cook.